Okay.
Okay, well, today we are sampling some vegan Chrissy Teigen grilled cheeses.
And a friend sent me the video and I was like, I need to try that. So we're using a few different kinds of cheeses as the fillers. So we did for the obviously for the outside of it, we have the parmesan and jalapeños. So
this is the parmesan. We use the Follow Your Heart dairy-free Aged parmesan.
And these are some of the...
And then we have 3 different types of internal cheese.
Internal.
So the first one we're doing this is a new flavor of Chao cheese, the Chao tomato Cayenne cheese, and that's this one. Next one we have the Follow Your Heart smoked Gouda. Love me some Gouda.
Oh my goodness, I have not tried the vegan Gouda.
And then
we have the Violife mature cheddar slices. I haven't tried any of these vegan cheeses, so I really wanted to try some mature cheddar. I've been around some really immature cheddar. Really young cheddar. All right. And Morgan here made some amazing broccoli cheddar soup. Oh my god, it's so good. I'm gonna be honest with you, I've been eating it already.
me too.
But we needed something to dip, so here we go.
Okay.
All right, which one do you want to go first? The Cayenne?
Yeah, let's do the Cayenne. And then we also have some Annie's ketchup. So.
Morgan can't have her her grilled cheese with that ketchup.
Sorry.
Oh, thank you.
Well,
I'll try it without the ketchup first.
Okay.
And see,
just nice and
see how it goes. Cayenne cheese, wow. That is really good.
It adds to the jalapeños.
Yeah, I like that there's cayenne and jalapeno in there. Wow. That is really good.
I like the texture too.
I do too.
It's like super gooey.
Those jalapenos, they did really well. I was like surprised because it's like on the outside. Those are really good. Wow.
They stuck. They stuck more than
The cheese. I know. We might need some napkins, producer.
Thank you, producer.
Thank you. And with this broccoli cheddar soup, oh my god,
So good.
so good.
I'm gonna try it with ketchup.
Alright, I'm gonna try the ketchup.
It adds like a little sweet zing, you know?
Yum.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
I would highly recommend that.
Yeah.
It's not like super spicy, like I like spice, but just like slight spice, and this is perfect.
Yeah.
It's not overwhelming.
Ooh, product of roast.
Ooh.
How did I not know that?
I love Filled Roast. Such a good brand.
So good.
Alright. Next one up.
Is the Gouda.
Gouda.
So this one is the smoked Gouda cheese
Yum.
by Follow Your Heart. Love. Very smoky. I remember I tried it like a long. Ooh, this one's sticking.
Mine's stuck. Half of it's like on the plate still.
Very smoky. Very different.
Ooh, I like that one though. They're just like different, but they're both super good.
Yeah.
Wow.
I love how like they're expanding the vegan cheese collection. Like.
So far, yeah, amazing. I like the Gouda with that. I don't think I've even ever had real Gouda.
Yeah, me neither. I don't think.
I'm gonna be honest. Like
I stuck to like cheddar, and that was kind of.
I was like an American cheese
Yeah.
type. Like I didn't like the fancy cheeses.
Okay, this is our last one. It's the Violife, just like mature cheddar slices. So, we'll try this one.
See how this goes.
Okay.
I think cheddar is what like Chrissy Teigen used in her original, so I think this one is the most like close.
Authentic.
Yeah.
I like this one.
I need to try it with a broccoli. I haven't like had a broccoli on there.
Also, I made this one super crispy. Oh my god, I just want to.
These are so good.
So good.
Which one's your favorite?
I would say just the plain cheddar.
You like the plain cheddar?
And then the second would be Gouda, and the third would be this one.
Me
Just
too.
because there's too many. I mean, I do like the tomato cayenne, but like.
There's a lot of spices going on there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a lot going on.
The Gouda is like really creamy and I love that. It's like so good. So even if you're not vegan, try these out.
Yeah.
Helps the planet, helps the animals, helps your body.
Humps her body. For real. Also, cheese is technically a drug, so
Yeah,
live your life drug free.
yeah. So a lot of vegetarians have a hard time like going full vegan because cheese like does the same thing to your brain as heroin. So
The receptors in your stomach connect to your brain.
exactly. So it makes sense that cheese is hard to quit. But for me, I quit dairy before meat, so
Oh, smart.
it wasn't hard for me. I just always knew it wasn't good for me, and so like I was always trying to not eat dairy.
Yeah.
I was on and off it like all through high school and after, and then when I went vegan, obviously.
And something like 70% of the population is like lactose intolerant. Or I even heard that like everyone's lactose intolerant, but like there's just like a certain like threshold, you know?
Well, there's like an enzyme that your body develops when you start eating dairy. Like so, like when, you know, for me, I started eating dairy when I was a baby.
Oh
So my body developed the enzyme, and so now like I can't eat dairy even if I wanted to because it would make me sick.
No. And I know like sometimes now when I eat it, like by accident or something,
Yeah, same.
just can't.
It's not good. Definitely not good.
Can't. Just diarrhea. Full. I'm not gonna lie. My body's like, why haven't it purged after
What did you
so
do?
long?"
Oh my god.
They're like, get this away from me.
Yeah, and dairy, I mean, dairy does a lot of terrible things to your body, like the mucus. It's like a mucus forming food, and so it like makes you sick more. It's just
Plus, like, milk contains a lot of pus.
right. Yeah, and hormones. Oh my god. Gross. So yeah.
So yeah,
Quit dairy. Quit dairy today.
quit dairy today.
I mean, look how many options there are though. Like this is just. Did we choose like all different brands? Oh, I guess follow your heart
it's the same as the
is
parmesan.
the same, but like there's so many different brands, so many different flavors.
I know there's Daya, which is a lot cheaper, right?
Yeah,
And
I think they're gonna release some diet at Costco soon, which is
the
awesome.
bulk version.
Mhm.
I'm down.
I'd love some.
Because even if like that kind of cheese, like even if you melt it, it's still good.
It is. I like it. Some vegans don't like it, but
I mean, I'm down.
There's a
It's
lot.
creamy.
There's a lot of the vegan cheeses that like it raw is not very good.
no raw. I like the Chao raw, but not the
Or
diet.
what about the Miyoko?
Oh,
okay.
Miyokos.
Miyokos.
I love.
It's good.
I
raw.
love
See,
Miyokos.
I've only ever had the Daya raw, and it's not.
No.
I had this. I took like a bite of the shredded, and I was like,
Yeah, no,
Which is-
raw is different because it's made to like melt, right?
Yeah, like I prefer Daya for like quesadillas.
Mm-hmm.
Like I basically,
Yeah.
or like mac and cheese. But
Right, yeah, because it works really good with mac and cheese and stuff like
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
that. And pizza.
But
Oh,
even like the
pizza, yeah.
oh yeah. The Miyoko's one, they have like the farmhouse cheddar, the shredded one. And I
Yeah.
was like eating that and I was like, wow, like you can eat it raw. I was like
Yeah.
addicted. It's good.
Miyoko's is like one of my favorite brands.
Uh-huh. It's just hard to find. Like, but
Yeah.
they're getting more popular now.
Mm-hmm.
Thank the Lord.
More vegan brands.
Mm-hmm.
More vegan options.
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome. Thank you for watching.
Like and subscribe if you're interested in a vegan lifestyle.
If you
Or you already have one.
if you like watching us eat delicious food,
Mm-hmm.
please
Yes.
watch some more.
And also this recipe for the broccoli cheddar soup is from Nora Cooks. So that's where I got this recipe. Link in the description if you want to make a soup. Highly recommend.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then coming next, we'll do a little intro video so you guys can get to know us because you're like, who are these randos?
Yeah.
So
Yeah, ask us any
Comment.
questions for our next video. We'll answer almost anything.
I'll answer anything. I'm down.
All right. Let's just throw it all down.
Okay.
If she's in, I'm in. Let's go
Okay,
100%.
let's do it. Okay.
Bye.
Love you. Have a fantastic week. Go vegan.